Today on Chloe's Inbox, good day Chloe and to all of your listeners. Need ko lang po ng words of encouragement. Habang tinatype ko ito, hindi ko mapigilan ang pag-iyak. Meron po kasi akong kamag-anak na isang alagad ng simbahan na walang ginawa kundi ang ichismis ang buhay ko. Hindi po ako perpektong tao, nagkakasala din ako pero hindi naman rason yon para i-down ako. Imbes na payo at pagpapalakas ng loob ay paninira pa ang ginagawa sa akin ng harap-harapan. People are easy to judge but hate to be judged. Letter sender, teary-eyed. Hello to you. Kana umiyak. Alam mo, likas sa tao ang mapanghusga. And I think that's something all of us can't avoid, ang mahusgahan, ano? And seriously, minsan, di naman lahat. Those who are religious, yung mga righteous, in some ways, sila talaga ang mas judgmental because they probably think they're too perfect na, that they cannot commit any sin. They see themselves or they see the dirt on the face of others but never on themselves. What you can do is you can just talk to this person if, that would help sa nararamdaman mo. And para matapos na, alam mo yon, talk to this person nicely and let this person know what you know and ask him kung meron siyang or her kung meron siyang issue sa'yo, mas maganda na sa'yo niya na lang sabihin. Kesa ka mo i-discuss niya sa ibang tao, sa'yo na lang i-discuss kasi ikaw naman yung concern niya, diba? Or you can just stay silent and prove him or her otherwise and show this person that you're happy. When you're happy and it shows, it kills the people who hate you. So, ganun na lang. Dalawa ang choice mo dito. Kausapin siya, i-confront siya about this. Pero kung hindi ka naman confrontational and you feel like na it wouldn't do you any good na i-confront pa tong taong to, di hayaan mo na lang. Minsan, yung pagiging silent, much better pa yan. Yung hindi mo na lang pagpatol because, it just dies a natural death. Pag nakikita niya na dead maka, walang effect sa'yo, ay titigil na lang yan ang kusa. So, God bless you, Mystery-Eyed. I hope I was able to help.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.